Hey everybody, it's Mike, and today I'm going to show you how to easily add OIDs from a MIB imported into ScienceLogic SL1 to an SNMP dynamic application. We're looking at the AP2 interface, and we're in version 8.14 right now. So to get to the MIB compiler page, you'll need to go to the menu, System, Tools, MIB compiler, and then go ahead and move the tray out of the way. Import, and you'll need to have a MIB file on hand for the resource that you're planning to create dynamic applications for. In this case, I just chose the Libert UPS MIB as an example. Go ahead and open that and then click Import. So we can see up here that the MIB has been added. So let's go ahead and search for it. And we found it right here. You can tell which one it is because if you look under compiled, it will say no. So that's what we're going to do next. We're going to hit the lightning bolt to compile that MIB. Compile is successful. So now we're going to go back into the tray, System, Tools, OID Browser. We are going to choose a search option where MIB name is like Libert UPS MIB. And you can see that the whole tree has been imported here. So let's just take the first one, the firmware version. I'm going to check that box and go down here and select Action, Add to a new configuration application. I'm going to show you this on the configuration application, but the process is very similar for a performance application. So select that, make sure that we still have that OID selected at the top, and hit Go. Confirm. And now we have a new dynamic application with that OID added, and the class type has been automatically chosen for us based on what the MIB says. So rather than having to try to go through the documentation and guess which is which, this has SL1 choose for us. Now you'll want to go to properties at this point and name it something more memorable. So Libert UPS config is an example. And you can do any sort of changes that you need to make here. I'm going to leave them default for now for the purposes of illustration. And go ahead and refresh this page. So we'll need to do that search again. And the nice thing about now that we have that application in existence, we can choose multiple OIDs and add those to the dynamic application. So you'll see that we have the option to add to configuration application. Scroll down, find the one that we had just created and hit Go. Confirm. And you can see that now all three OIDs have been added to this dynamic application. If you wanted to add them together as a group, you would have the option to do that from down here and set them up quickly.